Good morning and welcome to another example of the ETF Cash Trading System, which can be found at etfcash.com. Our directions for today were to buy at the open and sell at the high. The open was at $19.90, and we have not bought in yet. We're sort of waiting a minute or two to see how the market develops. What you're looking at is a chart of 1 minute bars that indicate the open at that bar, the high and the low of that bar, and the range. So we're going to be getting in probably pretty quickly. We'll see how that progresses here. Again, today we buy at the open and sell at the high. So we may have missed the absolute lowest point of the day. Sometimes it catches up within the first 5 minutes, but we'll see where that goes. We are running this in real time just to show you how it plays out. So everything you're seeing here was recorded as we're buying in and also as we're selling. And again, we're trying to do this quickly and show a quick trade and how you can make a quick profit in the morning without spending your entire day on it. Okay, we're getting ready to buy in now. And we did get a buy at $19.94. Again, that may not be the lowest point of the day, but it's back in the range of within 4 cents of the open, so I think that's a pretty good time to buy in. If it keeps dropping, we may actually buy more. Sometimes we'll average our buy-in cost, so we'll see how that goes here. It now looks like it may have stabilized, so we're going to make another buy here to average down our buy-in cost. And as you can see, we have two buys, the first at $19.94, the second at $19.88, giving us an average buying cost of $19.91. Now the hardest part of doing this strategy is the waiting. And remember, those bars that we're watching on the screen are 1 minute bars. So not a lot of time is passing. We just have to wait for the market to do its thing. Typically, we're looking for a peak about a half an hour into the market open, which would be about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so we're going to just kind of wait for that. As you can see, the market really is kind of flattening out a little bit, sort of bouncing around that level, and we're just waiting for the buying activity to pick up. Now it looks like we may have had our first breakout. You'll notice there's a big jump there, and that usually indicates that things are going to be going in our direction, so we'll have to wait and see. Okay, it looks like that we do have that breakout to the upside, so we're going to be watching this fairly closely. Again, we expect all the activity to happen within the first half hour of trading, so we can get in and get out in a reasonable time frame. What we're seeing now is some early morning buying and selling activity, so we're not really too worried about this. It may give us an opportunity to buy in again and lower our cost. But if it stays up there, we're just going to let it ride for a little bit longer. As you can see right now, there's a significant upside bump, which is very typical. It'll usually start to go up, fall back a little to pick up some of the sellers, and then keep rising up. So we will again just follow this. If you were setting stop losses, you could follow this with a trailing stop loss so that you'll always recover some profit during the trading day. What we're getting now is almost a blow-off um, energy where it's jumping and jumping up rather significantly. So we'll be calculating our profit margin as we go along here and look for a good point to pull out of this trade. Again, our average cost is $19.91. Alrighty, we're now at over $2.40, so we're going to be looking to exit this trade. I would guess somewhere around 245, but we'll look for that opportunity and kind of watch what happens here. It looks like we're going to hit our $20.45 point, so we've put a sell in at that and are waiting for it to execute. And it actually sold at $20.47, leaving us a profit of 56 cents and a 2.8% gain for the day in 25 minutes.